Train's been attached, 158882. 2 units just been attached. It's also 159. Between 1222 South Western Railway Service Waterloo. So, logic. That train has got the all clear. Train is ready to start. 158888. 158880 to Salisbury. 158880 Salisbury. One 158959, still in our first Great Western livery. One 158959 to Portsmouth Harbour. We've also got another train approaching behind it, which looks to be like 3 Sierra 82 track cleaning unit. 158880. 158880 to Salisbury. Let's go to the next view. Old branded First Great Western. Sorry for the shakiness. It's my phone. Sorry. It's a class 158. Pick up the number when it comes out. DR 98924. DR 98924 to DR 98974. Looks like it might get a shunt signal to turn around. We've got 158960. 158960 to Cardiff Central. Took that junction with some speed. Okay, so that's the next video. Train just leaving off platform 3 is 159007. This train is 1 number 29, 1247, South Western Railway Service for Exeter St David's. From London Waterloo to Exeter St David's. 15907. Let's go to the next video. $59,007. That's going empty somewhere. Let's go to the next video. What's up guys, trains here. Train just coming through platform number 1 is 159107. It's an empty stock move, it's not showing up on real-time trains. So I don't have a place to go real what this is. but this could be going back into Salisbury TRSMD. So it's looking like what it's going to do. They may rejoin the service when it comes back later on. No, let's see in the next video. Well, actually, service to Romsey's just left, which I think is running under 2 Romeo 46. Aim is to see the charter and possibly one of the South Western Railway branded trains, which I think the South Western Railway one, I saw one of them earlier when I was going over a bridge near Salisbury, so I don't know if it's on an Exeter run or if it's sat over in TRSMD. But now we'll see you next video. So guys, I'm Trace here, train approaching platform 4. There's 9 Mike 98, 1306 Great Western Railway service to Great Malvern. 153370. The Great Western Railway livery. Thanks guys, see you next video. One 53370 to Great Malvern. One 53370. Let's get a few kids there, 3-tone. 153370 to Great Malvern. Next thing on the list, charter. Well, legend driver there, thank you. See you guys in the next video. Just a movement coming out of the depot, and 158887 is on the back in new South Western Railway branding. We've got 2159s and 158887. There's 2 of them now as well. 888's got South Western Railway on it as well. There's 158887 with 2 159s as well. No, 888's got it as well. Get that going out. I think that's going out on service in a minute, so I'll catch that as it goes out. We also might have a freighter coming as well, just ahead of the charter. Yeah, thanks, I'll see you next video. So guys, I'm Trains here. We just got a freighter coming through from Fareham sidings down to Westbury, I believe. $66,003, an EWS livery. So that's going. $66,003. Thanks guys, see you next video. Sup guys, Trains here. Also some other spotters here as well. I'm acquainted. So the train now approaching platform 4 at Salisbury is the 1322 1 Zulu 92 West Coast Railway Company service from Alton to Bath Spa. This should have a black 5 and a class 47. Here we go, it's coming in. Signal's still at danger. Well, will be for some time. I think we've also got a commuter passing it as well. Focus. And we've got 45212 black 5. And let's be ready to do a fill of water. Once this is filled up, this will be ready to depart. Take that.
Hi John.
I might just stand here and act as a block because I know people try and get shots from down here. So this will do a water fill. You see the tanker down there, and then this train will be ready to leave. Yeah, this is coming from my local this morning. I'm from Alton. Yeah. So no, it missed its. Didn't go back because it missed its turnaround path, didn't it? Had to go around Guildford, turn up round Woking, and then come back down the line. I think it did that path last night actually, at some point. So this train is running as 1 Zulu 92, West Coast Railway Company service from Alton to Bath Spa. This train will return to Alton later on tonight. Not entirely sure if it will be with the Black 5 or if it's just the 47. And off she goes. Or 5212 to 47580, City Country of Essex. 45212 Black 5 and 47580 to Bath Spa from Alton.